Hi guys, hi friends, hi family, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will share with you guys this super duper deep conditioner treatment. Guys, you want to know how I make this deep conditioner treatment because it is super duper. So guys, I will be using few ingredient that you can find on your kitchen and also some other ingredients. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you have not yet done so. See you guys. Let me leave you all to watch this super duper interesting deep conditioner treatment that will leave your hair so soft, duper soft, guys, and conditioned and more manageable. It makes your hair more manageable, guys. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. conditioner is looking like. I absolutely love the result that this deep conditioner treatment gave to my hair. I absolutely love it. I want you all to go try out this deep conditioner treatment. You will love it, guys. It is super effective. It is safe and natural. Both kids and adults can use it. It is absolutely made with safe ingredients, guys. So go try out this deep conditioner treatment. If you are experiencing dry hair, you want to deep condition your hair, this is the deep conditioner you have been waiting for. Super fluffy, super effective. You can use this twice a month, 3 times a week, whichever routine you have, depending on your wash day routine or the times that you wash your hair. So guys, I recommend you go make yourself this simple DIY deep conditioner treatment. You will love it. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a huge like, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, like and share this video. Please like this video. It will help YouTube to recommend more of this kind of video to other people looking for videos like this on how to grow and make their own DIY at home product for their hair or skin. Thank you guys for watching.